Hi everybody, how you doing? I'm Mark from Get Ignited Paracord, and today I'm going to show you how to make a 3-strand Matthew Walker knot. Right. So the Matthew Walker knot is done in 3 stages, and the step 1 is we're going to put each cord underneath the other one. So I'm going to put the white cord underneath the red, like that. The red cord is going to go underneath the blue. So this is where it does get a tiny bit confusing, because we have to put the red cord underneath the white to get underneath the blue, like that. And your blue cord is going to go underneath the red and up through that hole like that. See? And then you can put it slightly together. Now, the Matthew Walker knot is named after somebody, but nobody knows whether Matthew Walker actually was real or not. It's just a story. Okay, so that's step 1. Step 2 is we're going to put each cord up the following loop. So I'm going to get this red cord, I'm going to poke it up through the white loop hole, like that. The blue cord is going to go up through the red hole like that, and the white cord is going to go up through, he says, the blue loop like that. I'm just going to pull the cords together a little bit more. Yeah. So anyway, the story of Matthew Walker knot is that he received the death penalty for something, but the judge, knowing that he was a sailor, knowing that he was supposed to be good at knots, said, okay, I'll give you a full pardon if you can tie a knot that I've never seen before, that I don't know how to tie and I don't know how to untie. So he went away, got a load of rope and made this Matthew Walker knot. Okay, so I've got it like that. Now what I'm going to do is turn the whole thing on its side. I'm going to grab the ends and pull them up a little bit. And then all I'm going to do is slowly and carefully just kind of push on this side and pull on this side and squidge the knot together so that each cord is in between the other. So I've got the white in between the red and the blue in between the red and the white. You might have to give it each cord a little bit of a tug. And the red, give that a tug. Like that. But basically you kind of squidge the knot together until you get this nice decorative Matthew Walker knot. Yeah, so there you go. It is a good, nice decorative knot. You can use more than 3 strands. You can use multiple strands. It gets complicated though. it's also a good transition knot, which means I can leave this end dangling like this, make it into a keyring, the end of a keyring or something. I can tie a Matthew Walker knot, and then I can tie something else on top. Now I might actually do that. I might actually show you a keyring using the Matthew Walker knot, but that's for another video. But there you go, that is your Matthew Walker knot. As always, YouTube would like you to watch this video there. I would like you to watch that playlist up there. Keep yourself safe, everyone. Wash your hands, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Good I can't talk today. Wash your hands, and I'll see.